Today we're diving deep into the surprising and innovative world of algae, one of Earth's tiny wonders with mammoth possibilities. But why algae? Let's unbox this green marvel together. Algae can turn pollutants into power. Algae-based wastewater treatment is an eco-friendly process that leverages algae's natural ability to absorb nutrients. Initially, algae consume harmful nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from wastewater, growing through photosynthesis while oxygenating the water. This oxygenation is crucial as it aids aerobic bacteria in breaking down organic waste, an essential step in detoxifying the water. The algae's growth not only cleans the water but also increases algae biomass, which is subsequently harvested for various uses such as biofuel production or fertilizer. Post-harvest, the purified water, now devoid of excessive harmful nutrients and reduced organic waste, can be safely reintroduced into the environment or further processed if needed. This sustainable approach turns pollution into a valuable resource while effectively treating wastewater. Algae are stepping into the fuel game, offering a greener alternative to fossil fuels. Algae are like tiny solar panels. They soak up the sun and store energy, but here's the kicker. They save it in the form of oil. Once harvested, scientists proceed with the extraction of oils from the algae. They use various methods for this, like solvent extraction, mechanical pressing, or even ultrasonic methods that break down the cell walls of the algae and allow the oil to be collected. The real magic happens in this next step, called transesterification. This is a chemical process that converts the extracted algal oil into usable biodiesel. Here's how it works. The algal oil is reacted with an alcohol, typically methanol in the presence of a catalyst, which is usually a strong alkali like sodium hydroxide. This process breaks the oil down into two parts, esters and glycerol. The esters are what we use as biodiesel. The glycerol, a byproduct, has its uses in other industries, including cosmetics and pharmaceuticals. After transesterification, the biodiesel is purified. This involves separating the biodiesel from the glycerol and any other byproducts, followed by a washing process to remove any remaining catalyst, soaps, and free fatty acids. The end product is a clean-burning, sustainable biodiesel. The biodiesel undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets specific quality standards. Algae, the garden's secret sauce for growth. Algae-based fertilizers are making waves in sustainable agriculture, offering a potent, eco-friendly alternative to traditional products. Harvested algae, processed through drying and grinding into a fine powder or liquid extract, are rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with beneficial microorganisms and growth-promoting substances. These fertilizers derived from algae boost plant health and resilience, enhance soil quality, improve water retention, and stimulate plant growth, all while reducing dependence on chemical fertilizers. Plus, with algae's natural bioremediation properties, these innovative fertilizers help restore ecological balance, presenting a holistic approach to increased crop productivity. Now let's talk about our climate. These microscopic organisms are photosynthesis champions, taking in CO2 and, powered by sunlight, transforming it into oxygen and glucose. What sets algae apart, especially ocean-dwelling microalgae, is their remarkable efficiency as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing substantial CO2 amounts, often more effectively than terrestrial plants. When these algae expire, they descend to the ocean's depths, entrapping the carbon within their biomass on the seafloor, sometimes for millennia. Algae, emerging as unconventional yet powerful crops, are cultivated in diverse settings from artificial ponds to sophisticated photobioreactors, utilizing minimal land and water resources. Their rapid growth rate, with some species doubling in size within 24 hours, and ability to thrive in saline, brackish, or wastewater distinguish them from traditional crops. Certain algae are a superfood, high in proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spirulina and chlorella, for example, are considered nutritional powerhouses and are already being used in supplements and health foods. From combating pollution, feeding populations, to fueling our vehicles, algae are showcasing their mighty potential in our sustainable future. Imagine the change we can bring about if we harness the power of these tiny wonders strategically and responsibly. If you found this journey through the algae universe exciting, hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures into the world of science and innovation. Until next time, keep exploring.